You stuck, Bubba? Wrong way, bub. We'll go around. Or he'll sit here in line.
He's getting roped in. Boo. There you go. There you go. Go to Jacob. Attaboy. On a rope, working his way around the campfire. That's Blue Dog. Yep, campfire at night. Cabotime, Oregon. Boy, is it warm by the fire.